Srinivas, Harish, Manish, and Monica. Can anyone can summarize yesterday part, whatever we have learned?
Yesterday we have discussed about organization structure,
Hmm.
like company or client,
Hmm.
company and plant, storage location, and purchase organization and purchase group.
Okay.
Like client or company is like highest level of organization structure, where below company we have a sub companies like company codes. Under company codes, we have plants. Under plants, we have some different storage locations for each, like plants. And again, we have purchase organization. Like purchase group is not linked with like a structure like company or company. It is like independent unit.
Okay. No, Manish.
Yesterday we decided about learned about the enterprise structure of any SAP system, and
Hmm.
like the first stage of this structure is company, then after company code, then after plant, storage location, purchasing organization, and purchase group. And this comes purchase groups is like individual from this hierarchy, but it can take the data from this whole enterprise structure, and it could be more plant for the one company code, but it could be not more company code for the one plant. And yeah, this is the main.
Yes, Monica.
Yes, yesterday we learned about different like a structure of enterprise, and in that, like, we can see the 6 steps: company code, plant, storage location, purchase organization, and purchase group. As a consultant, our role will be start from the plant, and we can define the before further procedure. As consultant, we cannot define any of code or say it's like in company or company code. And we learn about different 3 kinds of like plant specific purchase or different types of purchase organization, plant specific or purchase organization, cross plant and cross company code. That's it.
Srinivas.
So, yesterday we have learned about the enterprise structure. In that, company code, plant, storage location, uh, purchase organization, and group. Purchase group will be there. Purchase group is not at all linked with any of the above organization. And after that, we have learned about the types of purchase organization, in which plant specific purchase organization, cross plant purchasing organization, and cross company code purchase organization.
Okay. Good morning, Sneha.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah. Can you summarize yesterday what and all we have learned?
Yeah, yesterday we learned about enterprise structure regarding how the company code will be generated by the FICO consultant, FI consultant, and the other purchase organization like where purchase organization and storage location like that, and the cross in that what is what to say purchase or purchase group, various of purchase group, cross plant like that
No,
we have
don't get confused. It is not various types of purchase group. It is the very purchase organization.
various type of purchase organization. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, very good. So yesterday we have started with the enterprise structure. Okay, like the hierarchy which I told. First, the comes from the company. Company can be called as the client or else the organization. Okay, it depends completely on the business requirement. And the second, the part will comes for under the company. It is the company codes. There can be a n number of the company codes. Yesterday I have shown you in the flowchart. Like we have taken 2 examples, one for the healthcare and one for the IT. So that is the company code. Under the company code, we can n number of the plants, like the based on the locations wise. For example, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, like that. Under the plant, whatever the material we are manufacturing or we are producing in the plant, we are storing that material in the storage location. Like we can consider that raw materials, we can keep it in a one storage location. Finished products, we can come fix it in a one storage location. Or else the different types of the materials, for example tires I told, or else steel, or else the products, whatever the base, completely based on the business requirements. So we'll store in the storage locations whatever we are produced in the plant. And coming to the purchase organization, it can be defined by the plant also, or can be defined by the company code also. Okay, it's completely depends on the companies. And then under this, we are under this and purchase group. The purchase group is not linked to any of the organizational element. It is an independent element. Okay, and the main activity of the purchase group is, it is the whatever the day-to-day monitoring activities, tracking activities, and the buying activities, all the activities will be done by purchase group. Yesterday, Srinivas, you have asked about the purchase group complete definition. See, you can if I can give you the example, like you can consider it as a third party organization. Okay, whatever the purchase organization is buying the material from the vendor, so it can give it can give that one third party, it can give that one third party organization to purchase all the materials whichever is required for the company. That example I can give you. Okay, and one,
Okay.
yeah, and one more thing here, you the purchase group is not linked to any of the organizational element. Okay, it is the independent one. And under this, we have three different types of purchase organization where we have learned, like the plant specific and the cross plant and the cross company code. Plant specific means for different plants there will be a separate purchase organizations. Okay, and the cross plant means, for example, for 2 or 3 plants we will assign only the one purchase organization is responsible for all of the 3 plants. When it comes to the company code, for all 2 to 3 company codes, one purchase organization is responsible for procuring or buying the material from the vendors. That is all we have learned yesterday. So do you have any doubts about yesterday topics? Like I'll give you 2 to 3 points about all the things: company code, then plant and all. So why means, you can go to the PDF also. Why I'm giving you these points means, whenever you are revising your notes, no, only these 2 to 3 points, if you can revise, if you can remember, it will be easy for you. In a PDF format also we will provide that one also. But the thing is, it will get more time. Okay, just go with these 2 3 points, so it will be easy for you. That's all. Okay, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. I'll tell you from the company code. You start writing. Okay, under enterprise structure, first one is company. I'll tell you the points, 2 to 3 points. You can note it down. Okay, then we'll start with the configuration. Any 1 or 2 can be in a video mode. I think Monica, you can be in a video mode. Even Arish also, if you're comfortable. Okay, shall I? Okay, under company, you can write it down. Company, it can be a client. Okay, you can write it like this. It can be defined as a client, company, or organization. Okay, the second point is it is the highest level unit of the organization. The first hierarchy in the enterprise structure, highest level unit of the organization. In an interview, they may ask which is the first hierarchy, or which is the highest level in the enterprise structure. You have to tell company or client. Okay. Then it has its own master records. And a set of tables with the same point. It has its own master records and a set of tables. Then it stores and maintains data about the organization where SAP is implemented. It stores and maintains data about the organization where SAP is implemented. This is for company. 4 points is sufficient. Okay. This is just for the reference for your notes. If you wanted to read more, if you wanted to learn more about company, whenever we are sending the PDF now, you can go through the PDF. This is just for the revision purpose, I'm telling. Okay. And the second one is company code. Under company code, you can write it maintains independent set of accounts. It maintains independent set of accounts. Then it represents a unit with its own accounting, comma,
Sorry.
it represents a unit with its own accounting, comma, balance, comma, profit and loss. I'll repeat. It represents a unit with its own accounting, comma, balance, comma, profit and loss. Okay, I have told 2 points. It maintains independent set of accounts, and the second point is it represents a unit with its own accounting, balance, for profit and loss. This is for company code. Manish, done?
Yes.
Yeah. Third, you can write for the plant. It is a manufacturing location then manufacturing location,
Yep.
distribution center, or a warehouse. Okay. The second point is you can divide an enterprise into various plants. You can divide an enterprise into various plants according to production,
Into various
plants according to production, comma, procurement and maintenance. Done. You can divide an enterprise into various plants according to production, procurement or maintenance. This is for the plant. And then for the storage location. An organizational unit where the goods are produced in the plant are stored in the storage locations. Whatever
where
an organization unit where the goods are produced in the plant are stored. Example, you can write raw material storage location 1, finished product storage location 2. Done? Or shall I repeat?
Repeat, Mansa.
An organization unit where the goods are produced in the plant are stored. I'll repeat it. An organization unit where the goods are produced in the plant are stored. Example, raw material storage location 1, finished products storage location 2. Done? Harish?
Yeah, done, Mansa.
Yeah. We'll go for the purchasing organization. Okay. Under purchasing organization, you can write an organization unit that procures materials and services
That procures unit.
that procures materials and services and negotiates with vendors to purchase materials or goods. An organization unit that procures materials and services and negotiate with vendors to purchase materials or goods. Done, Manish, or shall I repeat?
Done.
Okay. The last one is purchasing group. Okay. Under purchasing group, you can write it. It is independent organization element. First point, it is an independent organization element, not linked to any of organizational element. Third point is it is responsible for monitoring. It is responsible for monitoring day-to-day purchase order. It is responsible for monitoring day-to-day purchase order, tracking and are responsible to see that goods are available on time. Responsible to see goods are available on time. And the last point you can write is sometimes it may be a third party organization. Sometimes mention it. Sometimes it may be a third party organization. And the last point you can write it. The activities of several purchasing organization. The activities of several purchasing organization can be done by one purchasing group.
Activities of several purchasing.
Organization. The activities of several purchasing organization can be done by one purchasing group. That's all. See, now I'll start with the configuration part, okay? I'll define the plant and I'll define the storage location and I'll define the purchase organization. I'll show you in the path, okay, by using SPRO setting. The homework is whatever you have written, right, till company to purchase through, you have to search the T code. The direct T code is there, okay? You have to, that is the homework. I will show you with the path. You have to search the T code. For example, for the creation of the plant, we can use the direct T code. And for the creation of the purchase organization also we can use. For example, company I'll give you. To define the company, the direct T code is OX15. Okay. OX15 for to define the company. Like that, you have to search what is the direct T code to define the company code, plant, storage location, purchase organization, and purchase group. Now I'll show you in the screen. Okay. Let me share my screen. You can see this logo, right? SAP logon.
Yes. Yes, months.
Yeah. Once you install the SAP, you have to log on here. I'll show you. Okay. We will provide you the user ID and then password. Okay. You have to log in here. The user ID and then the password we will provide. So you have to log on. You can see this screen, right? SAP Easy Access.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the home page. Okay. In SAP Easy Access, the day I have almost 2-3 days back, I have shown you like what are the different types of the parts is there. For example, see, our role will start from for the role will start from the purchasing, right? If you go for the logistics, you can see the material management, like the R department. For example, if you click on the material management, there are different teams: purchasing, inventory management, excise duty, and all. Then if you go for purchasing, we can create the purchase order, purchase requisition, outline agreement, RFQ, master data, and all. So, and then for the inventory management, see the goods movement, material documents. Once you get this user ID and password, no, just go through this screen, just search what and all the things are available. For example, click all these things: logistics, inventory management, and then physical entries, and then service entry sheet. Just go through this first screen, okay? What and all the applications are available. And then for the accounting, like see, everything is available. So just access this screen, okay? And the settings also you can do. For example, see, this can be used for the print section and this can be used for the find. So, and this can be used for the first page. And this we have to click for the previous page, and this is for the next page. Like this, we you have the different kinds of the command keys here. You can access that one, and this is the command field where you need to enter the T codes and everything. Okay. So for the first thing, we will like, can anyone say, are we defining the company or company code?
No, we
No.
are not defining. Just plant
No,
location.
only a FI user can define it.
Yeah, so only the FI team can define the company and code, okay? So what will happen in the real time? The data will be given by FI team, whatever the under which company code we need to create the plan, the data will be provided by FI team. According to that, we have to follow the path, okay? Here, I'll show you in a Excel sheet, that is the standard one. Just write this one, okay? This enterprise structure, I have mentioned it here, okay? Are you see, can you see? Company
Yes.
plan, purchase organization, purchase group, and storage location. Just note it down. Whenever we are creating the new plans, or whenever we are creating the purchase group or purchase organization, if we are need to copy from the standard one, you need to copy from this. Okay, and we are using the 1989 company code, and for the copy section we are using the TP10 as the plant. For the purchase organization, this and all already configuration part was done. Okay, and whatever the tax skill are providing the server, the already the settings are done. Don't change anything. Company and company code, it's already defined, and whatever the errors are then it's completely solved. So just what you have to do is you have to define the plant, you have to define the storage location, and you have to define the purchase organization with the new one. Okay, just note it down. And don't delete anything in the server, whatever tax skill is providing. Okay, the company code, you have to use this company code only. Whenever you are creating any plant, any purchase organization, any purchase group, for any business processes, if you wanted to add company code, you have to use this company code only. Don't enter any other company code. Okay, note it down. Once it's done, just let me know.
Plant and purchase organization both same, like code.
Yeah. This is just for the reference part. We are the standard one. If you wanted to see for creation of the new plant, you have to copy the existing one, right? That time you have to use this plant like that. I will show you that one. Just write it down. Company code, you have to use this one.
Done.
Yeah. What about others?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Done once.
Okay. Just write it down. We'll go with this. Okay. You can see the command field, right? SPRO. Write the path. SPRO. Then SAP reference IMG. This is the path. First SPRO in the command field. Then SAP reference IMG. I'll go very slowly. Just write the path. If you click this, you will be getting different types. For example, we are going to define the under
What,
enterprise. Yeah.
Mansa?
Yeah.
What was the earlier screen?
Sorry.
The first one screen earlier.
1 second. First,
What
from the
re-
beginning, I'll go. In the command field, first you write it down SPRO. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
SPRO. When you click SPRO, you will get this page.
Yes, yes, okay.
You can see this here, right?
Hmm.
SAP reference IMG. The second part is write it down. SAP reference IMG.
Hmm. Okay.
If you click this one, you will get n number of
Okay.
components structures. Okay, we are defining under the enterprise structure, right? You can see here, right? The third path is enterprise structure.
Yes.
Yes.
If you click this one, first we are going to define the plant, right? Under enterprise structure, you have to go for the definition part. Write it down. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Third one is enterprise structure. Fourth one is definition. Then,
Done.
okay. See, just don't write it down just for the reference, but I'm telling. See, whatever the company and company code we are, the FI team will define, right? They will define under this one, financial accounting. Okay, see, just I'll show you. You can see the defined company, right?
Yes.
And you can define the company code also. Under the financial accounting, they will define the company and they will define the company code also. Okay, that is FI team work. Our role is after definition, you go for the logistic general. Then
Logis-
SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, or else I'll do one. I'll write it down. Wait. SPRO. Then SAP reference IMG. Then enterprise structure. Under the enterprise structure, definition. Okay. Under definition, you have to go for logistic general. Till now, have you done?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Logistic general. Here, you have to go for define, copy, delete, and check plant. You can see this, right? Just
Define.
wait. This define, copy, delete, and check plant. Copy, delete, and then check plant. Done?
Yes.
So, okay, I'll do from the beginning. Can anyone tell now? From the
NSP.
beginning.
Lesson.
SPR
SPRO. Then,
reference IMG.
Reference.
Same.
okay, then,
Enterprise structure.
Structure.
Enterprise structure.
then,
Definition.
Definition.
then.
Logistic general.
Logistic general.
Why not for financial accounting? I'll click financial accounting.
Company and company code will created by
Yes,
FI team,
yes.
so that
Right.
our role will be logistic general.
Very good. So I'll go with logistic general. Then,
Define company, delete check plant.
yes. From till now, you can see that, right? Here you have two options. One, define plant, and the other one is copy, delete, and check plant, right? In the define plant, we have two options in a real time. Either you can create a new plant, or else you can copy the existing one, and if you need any changes, you can do it. Okay. First, we will create a new plant. If you double click on this one, you will get this page. Okay. You can see this one, right? New entries.
Yes.
Click on that.
Yes, please.
See, I'll take one example. See, yesterday I thought you, I'll show you the flow chart. Yesterday I taught you about this flow chart, right? Under Hinduja group, the company code and all. So so we'll create under Hinduja Healthcare company code, we'll create one plant, that is Hinduja Healthcare Bangalore, and then we'll create two storage locations. Okay. So just write it down. Put today's date. Whatever I'm configuring today, you can try it after once you get the server access. Okay. Just create other plans, just define other storage location, and just define the other purchase organization. Okay. Just note it down, the plant. Whatever I have written here, just note it down. Done?
Yes.
Okay. First, we'll create a new plant, okay? And then we'll copy one and we'll create the new one. So today we are going to create the new plant. The name is HHCB. Okay. See, here you have to mention HHCB. What is HHCB?
No
You can
plant.
give any description for this. Okay, not only just I'm giving you the reference for this. Hinduja
Group.
Healthcare Bangalore. Okay, this is the description you have to give. And the plant name is HHCB. Okay.
Okay.
See, in a real time, it's completely depend on the business require. What they will do, they will give us the, or if they need some specific things, for example, country code, city code, they will give all the details. Okay, like the FI team will all give all these details, whatever the region, country key, postal code, whatever the details, the FI team will give. Just we need to follow that. That's all. Okay, factory calendar, just I'll mention as 01. Zero, and the Y means in tax skills we got the factory calendar as 01. Okay, but in the real time, whatever the data I'm applying here, all the details will be given by the FI team. That you don't need to worry. Okay, just what you have to do is just mention the plant name, that is the 4-digit. For example, Hinduja Healthcare Bangalore. Just give the description, that is Hinduja Healthcare Bangalore, and whatever the FI team will give the details. No, you have to mention it. First, you have to mention under the factory calendar, and then see, you can see the screen, right? Address. Manish.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yes.
If you click
Last.
this one, under company, we are creating the plant, right? Just mention the details. For today's reference part, I will mention any other thing as the details. But in a real time, you have to mention whatever the FI team will give the details. For example, Hinduja Healthcare Bangalore. Okay, I'll give some other thing, the search time and the street house number also, anything you can give, and the pin code you can give it anything. But in a real time, you have to follow the data from the FI team. Okay, and the country I'll give it as IN, that is India, and the region. See, I'll select any of the region. For example, Tamil Nadu. I'll select any region you can give it as of now. And here also, if they are providing the PO box address like the postal code or the company postal code, and if you wanted to change the language, and if you wanted to mention the phone number, all the data which is required. Okay, This data will be given by FI team. Just you need to follow that data and you have to mention it here. Whatever the details is provided by the FI team. Okay. And you can see this one, right? Just click on that and click on save. 1 second. Yeah, you can see this request number, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I told you like with, in the ticketing tools, you will be getting the L1 tickets, you will be getting the L2 tickets and all, right?
Yes.
What happens in a real time whenever you're going to configure anything in the SAP system, no, you will be getting the customizing request number or else the change request number, CR numbers, okay? These numbers you will get in a real time, okay? Here, just you need, for the understanding purpose, I'm telling, this is the request number. You don't need to copy this one and you have to keep it. Just see this, okay? If you click this one, you can see here, right? Data was saved.
Yes.
Yes.
And then give this one, save again. Again, it will data already saved, okay? Just for the checking purpose, recheck. Done. This is for the creation of the plant. When you go back, we have created which plant we have created? HHCB, right?
Yes.
Yes.
When you go back, you can see it here, right? HHCB, Hinduja Healthcare Bangalore. Just click on that. You can see the screen, right? See, we have mentioned IN and then postal code. Only few details we have mentioned, not all the details. But in real time, whatever the details will be given by FI team, you have to mention all those details. Okay. Here, the factory calendar here in tax skill, they have maintained the Germany standards. So that's why it's on 01. You have to follow all 01. Okay. Just write it down 01. All the other things, it depends on you, like whatever the details for the practicing purpose you can give the postal code, the house number, and the language key, and the country key, and the region. But in the real time, the data will be provided by the FI team. You have to follow that path. Okay, this is for the creation of the new plant. And once you're done with the new plant, you can see this green color tick, right? The right one.
Yes.
Yeah, you will get this. Do you have any doubts for the creation of the new plant? Just let me know. I will explain once again.
No, man, sir.
Okay. This
But
one here, right?
fields are there, right? Short description one, short description two, like that.
No. You can give only the one description. It's fine. It's the company, they will maintain the different types of the description also, but only the one description is enough. You can give you Hinduja Healthcare Bangalore, right? You can
That,
mention.
that
Yeah.
can be provided, right, in real time.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
As of now, you practice whatever whatever the flowchart I have given yesterday, right? Do one thing. Once the configuration setting part will be done, just take any other organization example and make a flowchart, okay? And create one company or else one plant or two plant. Under that, you create storage location. Just mention the names, and you have to maintain the Excel like this whenever you are practicing. Okay, see, we have created the new plant, that is HHCB. Okay, and we have to create one more plant by using the existing one, that we have to name it as other one. So for the understanding purpose, you have to first maintain it here and save the datas. Whatever you are creating the plants or the storage location, the short code we will obviously will forget. So just maintain it here for the reference part.
So
Okay.
existing means we change the new one,
Wait,
or
wait.
like
Yeah, I'll tell. Don't worry. This is for the creation of the new plant. Okay. There is no doubt in the creation of the new plant, right?
okay.
Okay, see, the second one is, you can see the screen, right? Copy, delete, and check plant.
Mhm.
Yes.
See, what happened in a real time or the different business processes, what they will do, they don't want the other new data for the creation of the plant. Already, for example, if we can take in a Bangalore only, we'll be having one plant. They are going to create one more plant with the same location. So whatever the data is there in the Bangalore location 1 plant data, they are just copying that data to the new plant. Okay. Understood?
Yes, Mansa.
See, just take an example. And in a Bangalore, we already have 1 plant in a Bangalore. So what companies are doing is they are creating 1 more plant under a Bangalore only. So for that reason, the no need to create all the data is once again, right? So whatever the data is already applicable in the already planned, just we can copy that one. We can copy all the data and we can we can define the new plant, right? For that scenario, we'll be using this one. You can either create the new plant with all the new data, or else you can copy from the existing one and you can create the new plant. Okay.
Okay.
Let me know if you have any doubt. So we'll create the existing one.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
for shortcut of the plant code, can we give anything?
For,
Is it any specific?
to define the plant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. There is an T code. That's the homework which I gave. Just search today. If you're not getting, I'll tell you tomorrow. This is the path, but T code also is there where you can directly open the plant to create the plant.
No, ma'am. I'm not asking that one.
Hmm?
You gave the HHCB as a code for plant. Can we take a different code
Yeah,
as our concern?
yeah. You can. That's what I'm telling you.
Or else
Can
is it any specific?
no. There is no specific. Just yesterday I have given one example, right? Hinduja group. That's the reason I have taken this code. That's all. Okay, you can name it anything. Either it is an SPR like JLTR, like GRPS. You can name it anything.
Yeah, plant and storage location, purchase location, like 4 digits only, right, Mansa?
Yeah. See, don't get confused. Today, whatever configuration I will do in the system, no, you just practice that one. Whenever we are creating the storage location, I'll tell that time. Okay, just write it down. Now we have created HHCB plant. That is the new plant, right? See, I have mentioned it here. The new one. Existing, I'll create now. Okay. For the new one, we have created with a newly. The existing, we have to copy from the existing one. See. Wait 1 second, I'll go back. The second one, copy, delete, check plant you have to create. You can see the screen, right? There is a
Yes.
second option, copy organization object. Write it down. You have to click this one. And then you will get this tab, like from plant to plant. Like from which plant you have to copy the data. See, already I have given the details. So whenever you have to copy the standard details, you have to take it from here. Okay, this is the standard details which tax skills is providing. Whatever the company code, plan, purchase organization, purchase group, storage location is there. If you wanted to copy anything from the standard thing, you have to use this one. Okay.
Okay.
From plant, which one? PP
10.
to plant. So we are going to create one more plant, right? That is HHCC. HHCC. Once it's done, you just you can see this as from plant to plant. Just write it down, or else you will forget. Done, Manish?
No, just.
Yeah. Once it's done, let me know.
Yeah.
Define new plant. You have written the path, and the second one is for the existing one. For that, you have to go for the copy, delete there. And then if you click this one, you will be getting this screen, copy object. Once you click that one, you will be getting this screen that is from plant and then to plant. For the from plant, you have to give the standard plant name, whichever I have given in the starting, the standard tax skill data. From TP10, you are copying to the new one, that is HHCC.
Okay.
Okay. Once it's done, just give it here, right one. Until you get copied all, you have to click yes here. The green color continue, you can see, right?
Yes.
Just click. Do you really want to transport number ranges? Just click yes. Then you will be getting the one more customized request number. Click yes. Then yes. Then yes. See, until unless you get this screen, plan TP10 copy to HHCC, you have to click yes, continue, continue, continue. This screen, this part you have to click. Until and unless you get this one information, you can see, right? Plan TP10 copy to HHCC.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, until unless you get this screen, you have to copy all those things. Just you have to do is only just you have to click this one. Continue, continue, continue. So shall I click now?
Yes.
Yes.
See, it's created. You can
Until.
see here, plan TP10 copy to HHCC. Okay,
Okay.
once again. We have to see this, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Solution.
Which plant we
Why?
have created now?
HHCC.
Yeah. Here you can see, right? HHCC.
Yes.
Click on that. You'll get.
Okay. Data.
You will get this. All the data is copied from the existing one. The TP10 we have copied, right? This details are maintained in the TP10. It's all copied from the existing one. So here what we can do is what happened, there is some changes required for the new plant. That time what you have to do is you can see the screen, right? Address.
Yes.
If you click that, you will get this one. I'll change any, you can change it anything. For example, for the, like I have given example, right? In a Bangalore only, they opened the new plant. So that of plant location is somewhere. Like the existing plant is in Mahalakshmi layout in a Bangalore only, but the other plant is in other place in a Bangalore only. So I'll name at as Chandra layout. Just I'll change the, just read her off. This I will change. Like everything will be same under one. It's like in a Bangalore only the different location. Just we need to change that one if it's changing, or else if they are creating the plan with the same location, it's fine. Okay, they will give us the data. Or else if you wanted to change anything in the existing one, you can do it here. For example, if you wanted to add anything like the postal code, the mobile number, if you wanted to add anything, you can do it here. Okay.
Can we change also the name?
Sorry.
Can we change also the name? Like here is training planned for 8 p.m. So we can change that or not?
Yeah, you can. You can change.
Okay.
Like training plan for, you can put any other name. Just only for the understanding, just have changed the location name. That's all. Okay. Whatever the changes is required for the new plan, you can do it here. And then click. And then save. Again, you will get the request number. Whenever you are configuring in the system, right, you will be getting these numbers. Once it's done, you will be getting data was saved. You can see, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's all.
Mansa,
Yeah.
can you open once TP10?
TP10, it's already the standard one. Okay. So under that plan, there are a number of the storage location and purchase organization. They in the in the tax skills, they've already created one company code, the plant and the purchase organization, purchase group, and storage location. Just we can use for the standard purpose. Okay.
Okay.
And that already backend settings already done. You will not get any errors.
Yeah.
But
What
we can,
Yeah.
we can see or we cannot see.
Yeah. Sorry. If you
Uh,
wanted to see all the details, I'll show you in a one class. Okay. The
Okay.
company code and the plant with all the details, you can check once again. We'll do one thing. Okay. Now you understood now how to create the new plant or how to copy
Yes,
the
yes.
existing one, right? See, um, just no EC01. EC01. What is this? Once again. I mentioned one T code. You can see this path. I'll show you once again. Just see this. See, I've given one company code, right? Here you can see, right? 1989. That is the standard one which the tax skills are provided. I'll show you that data. You can see it, right? 1989.
Yeah.
Just click on that. You will get n number of the plants. Under 1989, we have n number of the plant. Okay.
Okay.
Just one second. See, you told about, you are asking about TP10 plant, you have to see, right? Just click on this. Under TP10,
No.
you can see the locations, plant storage areas under TP10. This you can see once we are done with all the plant storage location purchase organization, and then after the assignment plan part, I will only show you how to check the plant, how to see all the details under one company code. Okay.
Okay.
This just you have asked like how to what are all available in the TP10. Just for that reason I have opened now. I'll tell you the path also, and I'll tell you the T code also. Like how can you see the all the plans or the storage locations under one company code, or else the all the enterprise lecture to view the enterprise structure with respect to the company code also you can see, or else to view the enterprise structure with respect to the plans also you can see the data whichever we are maintaining under one plant, or else whichever we are maintaining under one company code. Okay. Just we'll do one thing, just we'll create all the plant storage location for purchase organization for our reference, and we will see only those data in a system. Okay. Again, if you wanted to learn more things, I'll show you the standard one also. This already I have showed you. Under 1989 company code, we'll be having the TP10 plant. Under TP10 plants, see, there are different types of the location. For the production area, they are maintained. For the storage area, for the damaged goods, they have maintained.
Okay.
Now understood? Or do you have any questions?
No.
This
It's too much.
this I'll show you once again. Once we are done with all the reference part, whatever we are creating today, now I'll show you that data only. So you'll
Okay.
understand. So any doubts for while defining the plant or defining the copying the existing one and the creating the new plant?
Yeah, can you show once again for existing till creation of the new plant? I got to know it is very clear.
Hmm?
For existing, from where to copy the first 2-3 steps. It
Oh,
is in confusion.
okay. I'll tell you. No worries. So anyone can tell the part so that it will be easy for all of you to remember. I'll.
Yes.
/n SPRO,
Hmm?
then SAP reference,
Hmm?
Reference,
then enterprise structure,
Hmm?
then
definition,
Definition,
logistic
logistic
general,
generals,
logistic general,
Hmm?
define, copy, delete, checkpoint,
check plant. Okay.
and
We are
then
creating new plant or we creating
New.
copy? Now.
This is
copy,
creation of plant.
Taking a
copy,
reference,
delete, check plan.
and copy, delete, and check plan.
Yeah. So you're copying from this one. You understood, right,
This
Sneha?
one is
Yes.
new plant,
Yes.
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 Define for the new plant creation. You have to click define plant. For
Okay.
the existing one and to create the new plant, you have to go to this one.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Here
Okay.
in the screen you can see, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Here I. Okay.
Here
Here
you
copy.
can see copy organization. Just write it down.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah.
Click on that. You
Okay.
can
Here
see the
got
screen, right?
TP1.
From plant to plant.
Yeah. TP102 HHCC.
HHCC we already created. That plant
Okay.
again we can't create. We will give other name. You just tell me the other names. Anyone.
HHCD.
HHCD. Till now you understood, right? From the standard one, we are copying to the new one. Hmm?
Yes. Yes.
Click yes. Again, you will get data. Just click the green mark continue button. Click.
Okay.
Then again, you will get this. Click yes. Then again, you will get the change request number. Then again, you have to click continue.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what is the use of the request number, ma'am? Is
Request
it
number.
any useful for
Yes, yes, yes.
approach?
Yeah, see what will happen now only for the practice purpose, it's fine. But what happens in a real time, no? Whatever the configuration we are doing in the plan in the system, right? We have to give that request number.
Okay.
By using that request number, basis team will transfer that whatever. See, you are aware, right, about landscape, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the development server, I have informed you like we have three types of this client, like sandbox, the golden client, and the testing part. In
Yes,
the
ma'am.
development server, we are doing all this configuration part. Once we are done with development server, we will need one request number, right, for the basis team to access or to see what all we have configured. And by
Okay.
using that
To
number,
cross check, they will use
yeah,
that reference number. Okay.
what basis team will do means by using the TR number or change request number, they will see all whatever the configuration we have done. If it's everything was good, if it's okay, they will move on this to the quality one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Sneha, you can see it right here. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Just click on that. Again, you will get this screen. Just click
Yeah,
on.
from here I have mentioned everything in myself. The only the that copy delete check and that portion I have missed it. Okay.
Okay. See, yes. Again, you have to click yes.
Okay.
Then again, click yes. Click yes. Until unless you will get this screen. Just note it this one. Until unless the plan TP10 copied to HHCD, you have to click this button. Continue, continue, continue.
Okay.
Okay. You have any doubts, Neha?
No. No.
Anyone?
Yeah,
Manish,
No.
Harish,
And you
Srinivas.
also shown
ma'am.
how to check it is already created. That path also can you show once again?
Yeah, I'll show you definitely. Click.
Okay.
You can see this, right?
Yeah.
You can see the back button, right?
Yes.
Go back. Again, go for the in the define plant section.
Okay.
Double click. Which one we
Okay.
have created now? HHCD, right?
Yeah, HHCD.
Hold on. HHCD. You can see it, right? HHCD.
Okay.
Double click. You'll get
Okay.
this. Okay.
Fine. Okay.
And then address is there. If you wanted to change anything in the existing one, you can change it, or else, if you don't need any changes, leave it like that.
Okay.
Okay. Then again, save. Here data already saved. That's all. Doubts? Anyone has any doubts?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Sorry.
After the logistic general,
Hmm.
we have three different options. That is define plants.
Wait. We'll go to that screen only.
Here only, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, okay. Define, copy, delete, check plant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Click. Yeah. Tell me.
The third option is useful for what?
No. Don't don't see all these options. Okay, for our purpose, we have two options. One, we can create the new plan, or else we can copy from the existing one and we can create the new plan. The third one is define plan for cross system. It is completely depends on the company's business requirement. If they wanted to the cross company code and all those things, they will be having the separate configuration part and all. Okay, that we need to follow. But only for purpose, this two is sufficient. Don't go for this.
Okay.
Okay, the year also you have to use in the existing one, you have to create the new plan. But for the understanding purpose, I have informed you, like you can create the new plans also with all the new data, or else copy from the existing one and create the new data. You have two options. Just go through these two parts. Don't
Okay.
get this. Okay. If the company's requirement is there, that time they will only suggest you and they will only teach you how to do these things. For perspective, this two is sufficient, more than sufficient actually.
Okay.
Do you have any doubts?
Mansa, by creating like request, right? We'll get a pop-up call request. Below that, we have a short description like that. There it is coming like HITC created by Mansa, something is coming. Like it's like company it will come or what, Mansa?
See, that's change request and all, whatever. See, what will happen now in a company, whatever change configuration we are doing, we will maintain that in a one particular folder. Okay,
Okay.
it's
Okay.
already the standard one. I'll show you that also. Once we are done with all this configuration, when we come to the topic, I'll show you that one also. But
Okay.
during the starting, don't
Asking about,
go
yeah,
with,
I'm asking about real time. Real
yeah,
time.
in a real time they will maintain that those data. Just you have to the CR number or TR number, you have to mention it, that's all. Like what will happen, see, all the TR number, all the change request number, you can't note down every time, right? Here
Yes.
for the practice purpose you can note down, but in the real time what will happen, whatever the configuration we are doing in the system, so it will go under one folder. So you can check that time, or else it will be useful for the basis team also for the work. Whatever the settings, whatever the configuration we have done, it will go and save it in there. CR number. So any doubt till now? Define plant and the copying from the existing one and creation of the new plant. Any doubt till now?
Mansa,
Hmm?
can you do create plant,
New plant or the existing one?
new plant, completely new?
From okay, so I'll go from the beginning. Tell me the path.
Slash n SPRO,
Hmm?
then SAP reference IMG,
Hmm?
then SAP enterprise structure,
Hmm?
definition,
Hmm?
logistic general,
1 second. Okay. Oh, sorry. Hmm?
and define copy delete checkpoint,
Hmm?
check plant, then define plant.
Hmm?
Okay, here if it is like new one, then
You can see the screen, right?
no entries.
The
Okay,
third one. First one, you can change it. Second one, if you want any details, wait, I'll tell you. For the copy as things, you have so many options here. If we
okay,
want to create a new plant, right? Click on new
okay.
details.
TP is 10.
Why TP10? We are not
This
copying, right? We are creating the new plant only here. We are not copying from the existing one.
okay.
Tell me the any name.
HLCB,
HSCB we already created.
HLCB.
HLCB.
Hmm.
Okay. Give me the description. Tell me the description.
Oh, that I don't know.
So just try now.
What?
Any description. I have given Hinduja Healthcare Bangalore, right? That time.
Mm-hmm.
You can mention it anything. Tell me.
Health,
Yeah.
health level,
It's okay. It's not only the summarized part of the HLCB.
You can type it as
Healthcare
healthcare.
ban. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see this detailed information thing, right?
Yeah.
See country code, city code, and the factory calendar. See, in a tax scale server, they have maintained the 01 as the factory calendar. The reason is they are maintaining the German standard. Okay. But what happens in a real time, all this data will be given by FIT. Or like the country code and the city code, and few of the details will be done by the PP master also. But we'll be getting the data from the teams. Either it is the EFI or it is the PP. Okay, a few things will be defined by the FI team and few things will be defined by the PP team. For example, factory calendar and all will be defined by the PPT consultant. Okay, so this data they will give. So what happened in a real time? We'll get this data from the team. Just what we need to do is we need to mention it here.
Before we create plant, everything it should be inside like this kind of small details.
See, yeah, everything should be in a blank if you are going to create the new plant. The data which you need to mention it here now, you'll get the data.
Okay.
You have to follow that. That's all. Just you have to mention which plant they are going to create, and you have to give the description and which factory calendar they are following, and if any country code or city code is mentioning, you have to fill all these details here.
Okay.
Okay, but in the tax scale, we are maintaining the 01, that is the German standard. So that's why I mentioned it as an 01. It's not only every time you need to mention 01 in a real time. Whenever you're practicing in a tax scale server, just maintain it as an 01. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we able to edit those fields that
Which
are not
one? Which one?
the language key, house number?
Yeah, wait, I'll show you. You can see the screen, right? Address.
Yes, ma'am.
Click that. You'll get this tab, right? Whatever details you want, maintain it here.
Okay.
Okay. Healthcare Bangalore. Give anything. I'm just randomly typing here, okay, 20 and all, the address and all. But in real time, they will give us the data. Manish,
Yeah.
you understand, right?
Yes.
Okay, just I'll postal code, I'll name country as of now in India.
As per our detail, we can change everything here and we can save it like this.
Yeah. They will give us the data like for under which country they want the plant and all. Just follow that one. And the region. Here, I'll mention Karnataka and whatever the things, it's not required. But in the real time, if they're giving all these details, you need to mention all these details, the postal code. See, for any of the plant, the details is mandatory, right? They require the postal code, company postal code, and the number, the email, for the contact things. You have to maintain all those details here. Okay. And then click on copy. You'll get this one. Click on you'll get again the change request number. Whenever you're configuring in the server, no, you'll be getting the CR number.
Okay.
Okay. Click on yes. You can see it, right? Data was saved. Whatever the details we have mentioned in the address section, it's automatically came here. See, language key, house number 52 I mentioned, postal code, the country key and the region.
Okay.
It automatically came here. Address thing, see this one. And then again, say then we'll HLCB, right? We have created.
Yes.
We'll get this one.
Back side.
Go back. See, it's already there. Double click.
Okay.
You will get this.
Little open. Okay.
Okay. Any doubt?
No.
That's all. And what is today homework? What I given?
Today,
Codes for enterprise structure. Company
Yes.
code plans.
For the creation, for the define of the plant also, there is a T code. You have to get that one tomorrow. Also, and I give the already one hint for the company. I told already OX15 will be the T code to define the company. Okay. From company code, you have to search. Okay.
Okay.